Close your eyes, feel the light of serenity, softly spilling, warming the heart, breath steady, resonating with light, each ray a loving embrace, soul in the light quietly expands. Each inhale draws light into the chest. Each exhale lets worries dissolve. Thoughts drift like clouds with the light, so clear, calm as a lake. Spirit gently embraced by radiant glow. Light of serenity, softly blooming. Oh, glow of the heart, gently looming. This endless stream of radiance, I find healing, peace I embrace. Stars twinkle, weaving with the light, each ray a message of love. Body light, soul free, joy flows like water, gentle and clear. Spirit soars freely in the light. Radiance whispers, timeless and true. Each ray a gift of grace anew. In the depths of the light I hear soul and cosmos in harmony near. Moonlight falls, the night aglow. Each breath unlocks the soul. In the light I breathe freely, soul in radiance, dancing evermore. Light of serenity, softly blooming. Glow of the heart, gently looming in this endless stream of radiance. I find healing, peace I embrace. Light of serenity, softly blooming. Glow of the heart, gently looming. This endless stream of radiance, I find healing, peace I embrace. Light flows through time and space, each moment a baptism of grace. In its glow my soul unfolds, heart and cosmos